While watching a success story video, have you ever wondered why that person was able to manifest their desires so quickly? Also, have you ever wondered why that friend of yours is rich and successful while others in your friend circle are still struggling to make ends meet? Also, have you noticed why can one person get into a relationship easily while there are others who are constantly waiting for a phone call from their love interest? Upon observing the world around me, I noticed this happening all around me. One of my friends got married recently, while the other is still not getting any attention from women. There are some who make enormous amounts of money monthly, while there are others whose annual income is less than the other's monthly income. All of these people are made from the same elements. They were born one day, and they will leave their bodies one day. But why is it that one is able to get one thing in their life easily while it is hard to get another? Upon analysis, I found out why it happens. Also, if you follow my advice, it will happen, and you will get what you want. The answer to the question why is very simple, and in short, it happens because of our subconscious beliefs. These are the beliefs that we grew up with. These are the beliefs that we accepted as true from a very early age. When we were born in this world, our bodies knew how to eat and grow themselves. The basic functions of breathing, digesting, and growing were already there. But the social conditioning was missing. How the world operates, how societies are operating, and how people interact were all unknown to us. But we learned all of this from the world around us. We observed things and developed this inner knowing about relationships, money, marriages, friends, societies, religion, and whatnot. We were like a blank canvas that got painted due to our external interactions with parents, siblings, relatives, and friends. If a child witnesses the separation of their parents at a very young age, then he deeply starts believing that a happy, long-term relationship is a myth. It happens because that child didn't have any exposure to other relationships. He grew up with a single parent, and he didn't witness a strong bond between a male and a female. As a result, he formed this belief that a relationship doesn't last long. When that child grew up and didn't change this inner belief, his relationship started out great, but then he got separated from his partner. This cycle repeated itself again and again. Likewise, there were children whose parents struggled financially, and they got this belief that it is hard to earn money and get successful in life. They grew up with this belief and acted accordingly. While there are others who had very strong family relationships, their parents were very socially active, and thus, when that child grew up, making friends and building relationships was the easiest thing for that child. Likewise, a child who grows up in a lavish lifestyle always has the belief that money is easy to get. Hence, the results were different. Like the examples I gave, there are countless beliefs we hold. These beliefs are different for everyone. Because I hold different beliefs than you, our life experiences are vastly different. Now, it does not mean that one person has only beneficial beliefs while another has useless ones. It does not work like that. You may be good at forming relationships, another person may be good at making money, and another person may be famous. There can be an endless number of things. Now, these beliefs can either help us or hinder us in our journey. How can they hinder or help us? Well, if you want to manifest things that are in alignment with your beliefs, they can help you get them easily. If you want to manifest something that is opposite of that belief, then it can hinder you. I have this belief that making connections is an extremely easy thing for me because I view my father as someone who has good social skills. Hence, I can easily communicate with others and make friends. So, if I want to manifest a bunch of people, I can easily manifest them. But if there is a person named John who had parents who were not socially active, and who held the belief that friends are hard to make, communications are difficult, then even if he wanted to manifest some friends, it would not be in alignment unless he changed this belief about himself. Affirming that I have many friends would be hard for him to believe because of the opposing dominant belief he held for many years. Now what should he do? Well, I noticed that when people get to know about conscious manifestation, they get deeply involved with the idea of what they want to have. They miss the basic teachings of Neville Goddard and make the process difficult for themselves. This teaching says that no one to change but self. Instead of focusing on having many friends, he must focus on who would he become if he was socially active. Would he be outgoing? Would he be confident? Would he be a great listener? Would he have a smiling face? Would he run from social gatherings? Who would John be if he had many friends? The only thing with which you should be concerned when manifesting specific things is embodying the state of the person who already has what you want. Focus on being the person who has that dream car, big house, and successful business. Manifestation is about changing the self, not the outer physical circumstances. You are holding certain beliefs that can help you or hinder you. To remove the hindrance, change your self-concept, and things will automatically change. Do you want a consistent flow of money? Take a piece of paper and write on the top, "Who would I be if I got consistent income?" Your mind will give you ideas that feel opposite to your current state of being. Accept these ideas, and they will become a dominant feeling within you and manifest your desired outcome. So, I hope you manifest your wildest dreams. Always remember that it is about changing yourself, not others. Others will always reflect back who you are. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.